for NEET, JEE and JAM exam preparation. The question is, on a humid day in summer, the mole fraction of gaseous water vapor in the air at 25 degrees Celsius can be as high as 0.0287 atmosphere. Assuming a total pressure of 0.977 atmosphere, what is the partial pressure of water vapors in the air? What is the partial pressure of dry air? We have to find the partial pressure of water vapor in the air and the partial pressure of dry air. Let us find it. In the problem, the mole fraction of water is given. Mole fraction of water is 0.0287. And the total pressure also given. Total pressure is equal to 0.977 atmosphere. We know the partial pressure is expressed in terms of the overall pressure over the solution and the mole fraction of the component in the gas phase. So we can write partial pressure of water is equal to mole fraction of water into total pressure. Now we put the values in this expression. Partial pressure of water is equal to mole fraction of water is given, that is 0.0287 into total pressure also given, which is 0.977, right? This gives 0.028 atmosphere. So the partial pressure of water is 0.028 atmosphere. Now we calculate partial pressure of dry air. We know the total pressure is the sum of the partial pressure. So total pressure is equal to partial pressure of dry air plus partial pressure of water vapor. We have to find the partial pressure of dry air. So we can rearrange the expression. Partial pressure of dry air is equal to total pressure minus partial pressure of water vapor. Total pressure already it is given in the problem. The value is 0.977 atmosphere and partial pressure of water vapor we have calculated, which is 0.028 atmosphere. So 0.028 atmosphere. This gives 0.949. So the partial pressure of dry air is 0.949 atmosphere. Second question is, at a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, vapor pressure of water is 17.5 torr. If the relative humidity is 45%, calculate the moles of water present in 1 liter of air at 20 degrees Celsius. The problem, relative humidity is given. Relative humidity 45%. So I am writing 0.45. Vapor pressure of water is given. Vapor pressure of water. Vapor pressure of water is 17.5 torr. Volume is given. It is 1 liter. And temperature is given. Temperature is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. So we have to convert it into Kelvin scale. So to convert, we have to sum up the 20 with 273. This gives 293 Kelvin. The relative humidity is equal to partial pressure of water in air divided by vapor pressure of water. This is the expression we use. Relative humidity is equal to partial pressure of water in air. Partial pressure of water in air divided by vapor pressure of water. Vapor pressure of water. Then we have to calculate relative humidity with this expression. Now we put the values. We know relative humidity is 0.45, which is equal to partial pressure of water in air that we have to calculate. So just I am writing here partial pressure of water in air. Vapor pressure of water is given, that is 17.5. So we can rearrange this expression. 0.45 into 17.5, which is equal to the value 7.88 torr. So the partial pressure of water in air is equal to 7.88 torr. Now we calculate the moles of water present in 1 liter of air at 20 degrees Celsius. From ideal gas equation, we can calculate number of moles. The ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT. We have to calculate number of moles N. So I am rearranging this expression. N is equal to PV divided by RT. So in this expression, pressure already we have calculated, volume, gas temperature are given, R is gas constant. Now we can put the values. N is equal to, pressure is 0.0104 and volume is 1 liter. Gas constant in liter, atmosphere, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse is 0.0821. Temperature is 293. When we do the calculation, we get the value 4.3 into 10 to the power minus 4 moles. So the number of moles is equal to 4.3 into 10 to the power minus 4.